Good morning, students. If you will watch today again, I had just uh, made PDF and video for you. Okay. If you will see, last time I had explained you up to example 2. So today I'll be start explaining from example 3. Of course, a few questions from example 3 also I had explained. Okay, no problem. Let's see. I had said that in multiplication, what happens up and down it is reduced. If nothing is below that, that means there is 1. If you will see our here 4 by 18 into minus 4 is equal to 7 by 18 into minus 4 is equal to 7 by 18 into minus 4 is equal to 7 by 18 into minus 4 by 1, and when it is multiplied, if you will see plus minus, it will become minus, and 7 for the 28 as it can be, but up and down it has been cancelled. You can see 4 into 7 it has been written, and below 18 into 1 it was, so 2 to the 4 and 2 9 the 18. So what happens, it becomes minus 14 by 9, and if you will see in the bracket it has been written the product of positive integer and negative integer is a negative integer. This is the universal fact, student, that is when a positive integer is multiplied with negative integer, it is negative. So if you will see question number 2 now, here it is minus 36 into minus 5 by 9. So what happens if nothing is below, that means there is 1, so minus 36 by 1 into minus 5 by 9, when two negative signs are multiplied then it becomes positive. If you will see here, it has been written since the product of two negative integer is positive, so what will happen, minus 36 into minus 5 is equal to 36 into 5, because minus minus becomes plus, and 9 for the 30 and 5 for the 20. Up to here I have explained yesterday. So if you will see example 4, simplify. Here is also multiplication only, and if you will see here, it is 63 by, here it has been written clearly 63 by minus 100, this term only is equal to 63 into minus 1 by minus 100 into minus 1. As if you remember last time I had said, if there is only negative sign in denominator, simply you can pick it up. Here you can see this minus 100 sign goes up, it becomes minus 63 by 100. So it becomes what, minus 5 by 9 into 63 by minus 100 becomes minus 5 by 9 into minus 63 by 100. So what will happen, minus 5 into minus 63, so minus minus will be cancelled, and then after 5 20 is 100. You can see over here 9 7 is 63, below there is 20, because 5 20 is 100 it was, so 7 by 20 becomes the answer. And here you can see it has been said that when two negative products, negative integers or numbers are multiplied, then it becomes positive. That is only shown over here. The same thing it has been shown here. It is written in word, here it is written in symbolic form. Okay. So here clearly written, hence minus 5 by 9 into 63 by minus 100 is equal to 7 by 20. If you will see the second number question, here it has been said minus 21 by minus 44. If both up and down minus is there, simply you can cancel it and you can write it as 21 by 44, or you can do as it has been done in book, that is it has been multiplied up and down with minus 1. Okay, so what will happen, it will become minus 11 by 9 into minus 21 by minus 44. So minus minus plus it becomes, or up and down minus, it has been cancelled, as you can see over here. So now numerator it will be multiplied, so minus 11 into 21, and below 9 into 44 you can see, and then after 11 and 44 it has been cancelled. 11 was 11 and 11 for the 44, and 9 3 is 27. Okay, with 7, sorry, with 3 it has been cancelled. 3 3 is 9 and 3 7 is 21. So minus 1 into 7 it becomes minus 7, and 3 into 4 it becomes 12. So answer becomes minus 7 by 12. Hence minus 11 by 9 into minus 21 by minus 44 is equal to minus 7 by 12. These are the easier if you will understand. Okay, if you will see, here is a word problem. Here it has been written, a car is moving at the average speed of 56 by 5 km per hour. Average means what, students? Average, it is said as the speed, entire speed, or you can say, you might have read in class 5th also, the different speeds are added by the number of different speeds it is done. That means it is the average speed. That means during the whole time all the speeds are equated to get a near about middle speed, that is average speed. So how much distance will it cover in 7 by 2 hours? So to know the distance, here it has been written, distance covered in 1 hour is equal to 56 by 5 km. That is, it has been changed into mixed fraction. If you will see, sorry, improper fraction, it is mixed only. So in improper fraction, if you will see, 6 5 is 30 and 4 34, it becomes, so carry 3, and 5 5 is 25 and 3 28, so it becomes 284 by 5 km. Okay, so now in what happens, this much kilometer is traveled in 1 hour, So distance covered in 7 1 by 2 hours is equal to 284 by 5 into 15 by 2. Why 15 by 2? Because distance covered in 7 1 by 2 hours is equal to average speed into time, and average speed is 284 by 5 kilometer, okay, per hour, that is. And then after here 15 by 2 is this is the time. 7 to the 14 and 1 15. This 7 1 by 2 has been changed into improper fraction. Now if you will see, up and down it has been cancelled. 5 on the 5, 5 3 is 15. Here 2 on the 2, if 2 by 2 both are divided, 2 on the 2, and then after 2 on the 2, 2 for the 8 and 2 the 4. So what will happen? 142 into 3, it becomes 426 kilometers. So in 7 1 by 2 hours, the distance covered is equal to 426 kilometers. If you will see here, the answer has been written. Hence the required distance is 426 kilometers. In same way, if you will go down, students, you will see this is multiplication. Only up it will be multiplied, and down it will be multiplied. If you remember last time, I think solution also I had said, and I had even kept that solutions over here also. If you will see 4e, okay. It's 4d. Okay, 4e is not over here, no problem. Today's I had seen some solution. Let me see if I had added over there 4e solution also. So if you will see, I have taken some pages of chapter 5 also that will help you further after this PDF and videos. When I will be taking online class, the same PDF I will be using over here. Yes, you can see over here 4e, sorry, 4f is there, sorry. Okay, so 4e also you can make it is very easy, so I had not made. Okay, if it will be required during online class, again I will be explaining you. Simply what you have to do, up and up are multiplied, and down and are multiplied. Okay, here what happens, you will see 4e, okay. This time I have taken about I think 23 pages are there, okay. I am giving keeping more book pages. Why? Because while explaining you, while teaching you, it will become easier for us to explain, okay. So last time I had explained you up to this 4c and even d, so you can see over here the exercise which came now, it is 4e. I had not solved it because it is easier, okay. Sorry, already I had explained 4e. Sorry students, 4e already I had explained, that's why I had not solved. And yesterday I was explaining example of this exercise, okay. By mistake I had gone there. This one number I had already explained, and 2 number also I had explained. Sorry students. Okay, let's see example 3 of over here. We had wasted the 8 minutes, no problem. You can that is the revision, okay. The product of two rational number. Product is given -8 by 9, and one of the number is -4 by 15. Find the other. Then what we will do, let the required number be x. We will just assume the another number by which -8 by 9 is multiplied is x. Sorry, the product is -8 by 9. So by which it is multiplied, one of the number is -4 by 15. So the number which is multiplied with -4 by 15, let it be x. Here it has been written, let the required number be x. Then x into -4 by 15 you will give -8 by 9, because here it has been said product is -8 by 9. So product is the result of multiplication. So if you will see, this is in multiply, as I had said in equation, what happens, so any one amount goes from one side of is equal to another side of is equal to, then its sign becomes opposite. So -4 by 15 is it is in multiply. When it goes in another side of is equal to, then it becomes -8 by 9 divided by -4 by 15, okay. So divide changes into multiply, it becomes -8 by 9 into 15 by -4. Minus got cancelled, okay. As you can see, minus has been written top, and minus becomes plus also. 4 2 is 8, and 3 3 is 9, and 3 5 is 15, okay. So if you will see what will happen, it will become 2 into 5, because 4 2 is 8, so 2 over here, and 3 5 is 15, so 5 over here. So 2 5 is 10, and below there is 3 3 3 is 9, and 3 5 is 15 was there, so 3. So it becomes 10 by 3, hence the other number is 10 by 3. In this way you have to do it, students. If you will see example 4, by what number should -33 by 8 be divided to get -11 by 12? Okay, now this should be divided to get -11 by 12. So simply we will assume, let the required number be x. Then according to question, what will happen? minus 33 by 8 divided by x, because by any number it is divided to and the result is this much. So I had written minus 11 by 12, as you can see. Sorry, I had not, in book it has been explained. So if you see, divide changes into multiply and it becomes 1 by x, so it becomes what? 1 by x, this is in multiply, so goes another side, then it changes into divide, so it becomes minus 11 by 2 divided by minus 33 by 8. Okay, so minus 11 by 2 into 8 by minus 33, minus minus got cancelled. Okay, so what will happen, it will become minus minus, okay, it has been taken off and minus minus becomes plus only. 11 3 is 33, it has been done, and 2 4 is 8, so it becomes 4 by 3. Okay, 1 by x is 4 by 3, then x will become what? Reciprocal of 1 by x is x, so reciprocal of 4 by 3 is 3 by 4. In that case also you can just solve it. So here it has been written, hence the required number is 3 by 4. When 1 by x is 4 by 3, then when it will go this side it will multiply, and when this 3 will come this side then it will multiply. So 3 is equal to 4x you can write, or you can write x is equal to 3 by 4, like this also you can make it. If you see example 5, the cost of 5 pencil is rupees 37, 1 by 2. Find the cost of each pencil. Okay, 15 pencil cost it has been given, and you have to find the cost of each pencil. We know the cost of each pencil is equal to total cost by number of pencil. Okay, so if you can see, cost of 15 pencil is equal to rupees 75 by 2. So cost of 1 pencil is equal to rupees 75 by 2 divided by 15. This is total cost and this is the number of pencil. So divide when changing into multiply, nothing below, that means there is 1, so 1 will go up and 15 will come down. You can see 15 5 is 75, so it becomes rupees 5 by 2, that is rupees 2.5. Okay, so the cost of each pencil is rupees 2.5. Students, this is all about the multiplicative inverse, then after multiplication and division of fraction. So if you will see over here, these solutions, all the solutions of exercise 4 F I had seen, you can watch over there also. Okay, below just this page is there, I had shown you also last time. So 18 is here, so you can write the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of 18 is 1 by 18, and even you can keep the sign. If you will see over here, I had kept the sign also. Okay, so this is the solutions. As I can go down, okay, then I will be showing you after all the page of this there is solution. Yes, so you can see this 1 and 8 number. Yes, it has been here the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of 18 is equal to 18 inverse, that is 1 by 18. That is a symbolic way. In same way you can see here the multiplicative inverse of reciprocal of 0, or okay, the multiplicative inverse, or you can write, sorry, by mistake here it has been written off, or reciprocal of 0 is 0 inverse or 1 by 0, that is not defined, and it cannot be 1 by 0 only, it can be 2 by 0 also, 3 by 0 also, but generally when we think that if nothing is below there is 1, so for that, with that purpose I had kept here 1. So 1 by 0, something is divided by 0, then that is not defined, it is in the infinitive, and this is the sign of infinity only. Okay, so now we will move towards question number 2. If you will see over here of exercise 4F, this is chapter 5 only. Okay, so if you will see 4F, question number 2, okay, I am not getting 4F question number 2. Okay, might be this before this. Yes, 4F, it is question number 2 is that simplify. Simply simplify means what? Divide will change into multiply, and the number behind the divide will change. This numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. So you can see it will become 3 for the 12, 4 will be there, and then after minus 5 will be down. So you can see over here it will become 16 by 15, minus 16 by 15. If you will see over here, okay, what is the solution? I have seen the solution also. So you will watch, here comes the solution. Okay, You will see over here, okay, 2 number, there it is. Here it is divided and it has been changed into multiply, and this 12 goes up and minus 5 comes down, so 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. Okay, then after 4 4 is 16 by minus 15, or even you can write minus 1 whole 1 by 15 as its, okay, solution over here. Okay, now 45 by 60 minus 65 by 14 divided by 13 by minus 7. Then what will happen? Minus minus will be cancelled, and then after it will become what? It will be changed into multiply, and this 7 will go up and 13 will come down. So 13 5 to 65, it will become minus minus, it will be cancelling. Okay, only one minus is there. So but when it this will go up, as you can see 12 will go up, then it will become minus 12. Okay, so this is only about multiplication. Simply change the divide into multiply. Down will go up and up will come down along with the sign, and then after you solve, you can see 3 4 is 12, 3 3 is 9. So what will happen? It will become 4 by minus 15, and after that, 4 by minus 15, so it becomes you can see 4 and 4 4 is 16, so 16 by minus 15, and there the answer becomes minus 16 by 15 is equal to minus 1 1 by 15. You can write this in this way also. Now if you will see question number 6 of there, this is here also the same thing has been done. Here it has been changed into multiplied. Okay, multiply, then after it has been reduced, you can see 13 5 is 65. When changing into multiply, this minus 7 goes up and 13 comes down, so 13 5 is 65, and then after minus minus cancel, and 7 to the 14, so you can see 5 by 2 is equal to 2 1 by 2 each the answer. If you will see question number 3, okay, so in question number 3, what was there? Let's go and watch it. Actually, if you will see, students, I had solved these all examples. Okay, so when you will watch that, okay, I will search that and I will come back soon. Okay, thank you. Question number 3 is dash divided by minus 7 by 5. Okay, 3 1 it is. Minus 7 by 5 is equal to 10 by 19. If you remember, what you have to do is, here you have to simply assume, a number that is a by b, dash cat is equal to a by b. Then we will be solving it. Okay, so if you will see, first number I had done in solution, that let dash is equal to a by b. Yes, then what will happen? 12 divided by a by b, because 12 divided by dash it was, so 12 divided by a by b is equal to minus 6 by 5. Okay, now here a by b is in division, so when it will go to next side, then division will change into multiplication. Okay, so as you can see, I had written over here that minus 12 is equal to minus 6 by 5 into a by b. Okay, I will be showing you my solution which I had sent. Okay, I have got its page, so I am watching the page, and then after I am explaining you. Even if you can watch PDF, and through PDF, if you don't know, you can solve it in the copy, and then also you can watch it. Okay, So what I had written, a by b is equal to 12 divided by minus 6 by 5. What happened? This 6 by 5 in previous step I had written minus 12 is equal to minus 6 by 5 into a by b. Yes. And then what I had done, I had taken this minus 6 by 5. Okay. You will see over here. I had taken the minus 6 by 5. Okay. Here the question of this. Okay. Sorry. First number is this question. You can see over here. First number is what is the question? You can see it in your book. I was just explaining fourth number. Sorry. So fourth number you can see minus 6 by 5 over here, and then after minus 6 by 5 it came in divide because it was in multiply. So it this side it came, then it became divide, and then after when it is changed into multiply, then again 5 goes up and 6 comes down, minus minus got cancelled and 6 to the 12. So 2 and up, it is multiplied, so 2 5 the 10. So in this way 4 number can be solved. Okay, and first number question. Okay, if you will watch the question, okay, since it is taking too much time to go up and then after see the question and again to come back, so in that case what I'll do, I will be keeping the book, and even you should also keep the book and you should watch. Okay, first number question is dash divided by minus 7 by 5 is equal to 10 by 19. Okay, so what I have done, let dash is equal to a by b, then a by b divided by minus 7 by 5 is equal to 10 by 19. Okay, so now divide go another side and it change into multiply. Okay, divide into another side, then it change into multiply. So a by b is equal to 10 by 19 into minus 7 by 5. So 5 to the 10, you can see 2 into minus 7 is minus 14 by 19. So hence minus 14 by 19 divided by minus 7 by 5 is equal to 10 by 19. So our answer of a by b becomes what? Minus 14 by 19. 4 number already I had stayed. Now I will go. This is sub question 4 it was. So you can write. You can see over here I write it. Therefore, a by b is equal to 10 by 1. So minus 12 divided by 10 is equal to minus 6 by 5. And if you will see the fourth number question, not the sub question of 3, the independent fourth number question, there is a question, divide the sum of 65 by 12 and 8 by 3 by their difference. Okay, so you have to add 65 by 12 plus 8 by 3 divided by 6 by 65 by 12, sorry 6 by 12 not 65 by 12 plus 8 by 3 divided by 65 by 12 minus 8 by 3. So you can see here 3 and 12 LCM has been taken. Of course 12 is the multiples of 3, so LCM will be 12 only. Now 12 divided by 12 it will become 1. 1 into 65 is 65. Instead of 12 divided by 3 it becomes how much? 4. 4 into 8 is 32. Same condition over here also. So 65 minus 32. If you will see what happens, this becomes 97 by 12 divided by 33 by 12. Okay, and when divide change into multiply, 12 goes up, and then what happens, 12 got cancelled. Okay, and it becomes 97 by 33. So I had changed it into mixed fraction. You can see 33 divided with 96, it will give 2. That means 33 to the 66. When 66 is subtracted from 97, you can see 7 minus 6 is 1, and then after 9 minus 6 is 3. So 31 will be remainder. So 231 by 33 becomes answer. 2 whole 31 by 33 becomes the answer. Now in the exercise what I had done, I had made the solution alternatively. 4 I had made and 5th I had left for you. Actually 5th is also very easy. If you will see over here, it has been said by what number should minus 44 by 9 be divided to get. To get means quotient. Quotient becomes how much? Minus 11 by 3. So in that case what you can say, quotient is minus 11 by 3 and divided, that means dividend is this. Okay, as we know when there is no remainder and in fraction, of course the when we will divide it, the answer will come maybe in fraction only. So by what number this should be divided? That is minus 44 by 9 should be divided. Simply you can assume let the number be a by b. So minus 44 by 9 divided by a by b is equal to minus 11 by 3, and then after you will solve it same as fourth number of sub question 3. So I hope you will be able to solve it. Now you can see question number 6. Okay, in 6 it has been said, by what number should minus 8 by 15 be multiplied to get 24? So simply you can assume here also, let the number be a by b, then minus 8 by 15 into a by b is equal to 24, and when this minus 8 by 15 goes another side, okay, then it will change into divide. As you can see, I written here a by b is equal to 24 divided by minus 8 by 15. Now when divide changes into multiply, 15 goes up and minus 8 comes down, sorry. So 8 3 is 24, minus sign is there, so it will go up of course, and it will become minus 45. So then the required number, okay, for division also you can write is minus 45. I hope all of you are understanding it. Now if you will see, 7 I had left and 8 I had made, so 7 also I will try to explain it orally. You can watch it over here. The product of two rational number is 10. Okay, when we multiply two rational number, it is 10. If one of the number is minus 8, find the other. So simply see, product is how much? After multiplication it comes, and when we divide again we get another number. So I had written over here also, let other number be a. Then okay, actually even you can write other number is equal to product divided by given number, okay, or even by assuming a also you can make it. I had assumed let other number be a, then what happens? Their product is 12 minus 12, one is 8 number, yes, one is minus 12 and product is minus 9, okay, product is minus 9, so minus 12 into a is equal to minus 9, and then after when 12 is in multiply, when goes it another side, then it becomes in divide. So what will happen? Of course minus minus got cancelled, 3 3 is 9 and 3 4 is 12, so a is equal to 3 by 4. Therefore required other number is 3 by 4. Okay, now if you will see question number 10, by what rational number should minus 8 by 39, okay, be multiplied to obtain 5 by 26? Okay, so if you will see here, then what will happen? A by b is equal to 5 by 26 divided by minus 8 by 39. Okay, so 13 2 is 26 and 13 3 is 39. So what will happen? You can see below it was minus, so minus of course in a standard form it goes up, so it becomes minus 15 by 8 to just 16, below 2 was there. Okay, so hence required number is minus 15 by 16. Of course I hope all of you are understanding it. Here it has been said, by what rational number minus 8 by 39 be multiplied to obtain 5 by 26? So just simply we had assumed a by b, and then after we had done this, now go on. This was saying minus 8 by 39 go on another side, change into divide, then again change into multiply, and then after it has been solved. Okay, 9 number also it was of same type only, as I had done 8 number. Same questions you can see, one number is given and then after product is given, so I hope all of you can do that 9 number. And 11 number, if you will see, in 11 number also there is, if 24 pair of a trouser of equal size can be prepared with 54 meter of cloth, what length of cloth is required for each pair of trousers? Simply you divide 54 meter by 24, okay, and simply you can do it. Okay, so simply you will get, when you will divide you will get the fractions. Okay, with 6 you will go, it will go, and 9 6 is 54 and 6 4 is 24, so it will become how much? Up 9 and below 4, so you can say 2 1 by 4 meter cloth is required for each pair of trouser. You can solve it. Now here if you will see, I had solved question number 12. Okay, before explaining the solution I will read the question. How many pieces of each length 3 3 by 4 meter can be cut from a rope of length 30 meters. So of course here you can see I written required number of pieces is equal to total length divided by piece length. So total length is 30 meter and piece length is 33 by 4 meters. So at first I had changed it into mixed fraction. You can see meter I had cancelled, and then after 30 it is, and this 4 3 12 and 3 15 by 4 it became. Okay, so now when it is changed into multiply, then 4 goes up and 15 comes down, so 15 to the 30, so 8 pieces of 3 by 4 meters can be cut out of 30 meters. Okay, at last I had written also, hence number of pieces from the jig is 8. So if you will see, there is 13 number question, and 13 number question I will read and I will try to explain it orally. The cost of 2 1 by 2 meters of cloth is rupees 78 3 by 4. Find the cost of cloth per meter. Okay, so what do you have to do? Simply you will write the cost of cloth per meter is equal to total cost by total length of cloth. Okay, so you can simply divide it, rupees 78 3 by 4 divided by 2 1 by 2, and then after you can change both into mixed fraction, and then you can change divide into multiply, and up and down it will go, and by that you will be cutting, reducing it, and you will be getting the answer. If there will be any doubt, then I will be taking the doubts from during online classes. Okay, you can see there is, after this for F exercise, there is 4G exercise, it is objective. Okay, so even if there will be doubt, I hope you can do it. If there will be doubt, that objective problems also I will be solving during the class, sorry, online class. Okay, and after that, if you will see, I had written few laws of exponent. There was gap in the page, so I thought to remind you that laws of exponent is only for the reminder that you have to read next chapter also, because when there will be online class, then after taking your doubt from 4G chapter, if it 4G exercise and chapter 4, I'll be moving towards what test paper 4, and then after chapter 5. So it's better to read it earlier for understanding it in better way. Okay, so I'll be again talking with you during online class. Till then, thank you very much for watching this video and complete chapter 4. I hope you all are understanding what I am teaching through PDF video and online class. Thank you to everyone.